So guys, we have already set up our PC and we're running on our BIOS, checking things if everything's going smoothly. And yes, my Vision DP from Gigabyte is already set up. So right now, of course, we need to install our operating system. So yeah, I made a few changes here on my boot. Um, okay, putting my boot priority on the NVMe M.2. And right now we're going to save and exit setup. So right now you need to hit F8 for us to be able to choose our boot disk, which is the USB flash drive, which I just inserted to be able to boot Windows 10 or load Windows 10. Okay, so right now it's loading files. Let's see if it works. Okay, so right now it's running safe mode, which isn't supposed to be the case. So we'll be choosing Windows 10 setup running 64-bit. So it's running. I'll just guide you step by step on how to, of course, select what you need during installation of Windows 10. Of course, we know that Windows 11 is around the corner, but of course, the one that we all use is still Windows 10. So select language, just put it to English US, install now. Then just click I don't have a product key. We'll be entering it a little bit later. So I'll be installing a Windows 10 Pro right now. So here we go. I accept the license term. Just click next. Go to custom install Windows only advanced mode. So we'll be installing it on our drive, which this is supposed to be my main drive, which is the M.2. Not quite sure why it's running on drive 1. Anyways, so we'll be applying for new Windows. So here you can see, okay, so it's let's format this one, okay, where we'll be installing our Windows. Then let's click next. Okay, so right now we have entered Windows. So I need to select my country, which is the Philippines. So let's see where on earth is the Philippines. So here we go, Philippines. Then click yes. Then keyboard layout, I'll go with US. Skip. So right now I hook up my network using LAN cable. So if you haven't hooked up using LAN cable, probably you need to hook it using Wi-Fi. So you just need to install whatever drivers you need, maybe later. So right now it's I think it's downloading some important updates for Windows 10. Yeah, just have to wait a bit for it to completely load before we go on to the next step. So okay, so what's new from Windows? Yeah, haven't really installed my sound card, so yeah, we'll be going without sound from Cortana, which is sometimes a little bit annoying. So it's nice to keep it at mute. So yeah, I'll be using for my own. So I'll be doing this a little bit later, or maybe yeah, I just really need to access it right now. So yeah, let me put in my credentials. So it will ask me to create a pin. So okay, so yeah, just continue. So everything here, just accept. Customize your device. Yeah, maybe we'll go for gaming. So, okay, so a little bit of creativity. Then accept. So use your Android phone from your PC. Maybe not. No thanks. Okay, so back up to OneDrive. I'll be using my NAS, so no. So no thanks again. So here we go. So it's booting up right now. So we're just getting it ready for me. Then a little bit later, we'll be running in full Windows 10. So just hang on your seats. It's gonna be taking a little while depending on the speed of your processor. Mine is a AMD Ryzen 7 5800X together with a good graphics card, Asus RTX 3060 on a gigabyte motherboard. Okay, Vision B550DP and a crucial ballistic dual RAM of 8 gigs. So it's an RGB RAM. So you can see that we have already finished booting up. So what we need to do is just download uh, our driver, which is NVIDIA. So let's try to use Edge first for a while. So let's just personalize it a bit according to what I need. So I always love having my PC icon down up there. So yeah, let's just check some properties. Okay, so we're running Windows 10. So we'll be activating it a little bit. So be checking some settings here. So nothing really much to play with. So this is Ryzen 7 5800X 8-core processor running up to 3.8 gigahertz. So yeah, right now it's probably calibrating its own graphics card. So let's hang on a bit. Now it's a lot better. Yes, it's a lot better. So you can probably adjust our icons to make it look a little bit bigger. This is a bit way too small for me. So yeah, let's change some display settings. Maybe let's go for 150. This way it looks a lot better. Okay, so yeah, so next thing is to download and boot up. Okay, so it successfully installed its own NVIDIA control panel. So yes, you can just maybe probably take a look at it. So let's just agree and continue. So right now it's installing my gaming mouse. So nothing really much to play with here. Okay, so it's trying to install every single driver it needs. Yeah, maybe later we'll be going over to Gigabyte and download all the drivers for our Vision DP. So right now we're going to go ahead and buy ourselves our Microsoft Windows 10 Professional CD key. So all we need to do is go to godeal24.com. I'll be posting on the link on the description box below. So head on over, just register yourself, then add to cart. After added to cart, now you'll be using my code GF45 to be able to avail 45% off, which is of course it's a big deal. Right now we'll be applying our coupon code, which is GF45. Just place it on this side, discount code. So it's a GF45. So apply coupon. So you can see that after applying the coupon, the subtotal of $21.95 US dollar will become $12.07. Then proceed to checkout. So right now, we'll be using C-Wallet code to check it out. Either use PayPal or you use your credit card. So I normally trust PayPal. So pay now. Then I'll be keying in my PayPal account. After keying in everything from my PayPal account, then I'll be left receiving the key on my, of course, my email address. And this is, of course, from GoDeal24, which is the safest online software store. Let's activate. Just type in Windows Activate. Just go to activation settings. So yeah, it says that there's no product key. So just simply change our product key. Just paste our product key. Okay, so we just press activate. Of course, by activating Windows, you get the best experience. And of course, free from interruptions, from bugging you that you need to buy a genuine license and those stuff. Yeah, it's of course best to use genuine stuff. So my Windows is now activated. Yeah, we have successfully activated our Windows. And yeah, that's basically our tutorial today on how to activate your Windows 10 license, be it Pro, be it Home. So yeah, if you learned something from this tutorial, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, of course, click that bell icon so don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I'll see you on the next one.